Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to give you a practical demonstration of how you can uh, how you can close a board in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do basically is to go to settings, and then you scroll down and you can delete this workspace, and then you can go to boards, and here click on your board. Then here we have your boards, two boards. Okay, let's say I want to delete this board. So what I'm gonna have to do is to click on these three dots and click on more, and then here we have close board, or you can also go here and click board, kind of the same thing. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.